Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, Priscilla showed us a story earlier about how someone got caught in the higher than normal tides in area beaches this morning. That's going to happen again tomorrow morning with a coastal flood advisory. The water is already up nearly 2 feet higher than normal, and it could go as high as 2.5 feet with this persistent easterly wind and rough seas offshore. So coastal flood advisory is out. We also have the flood warning for the Nueces River. That is terrific for our water supply as it continues to climb, and we'll have an update on that at 10 o'clock tonight on Chris 6. But there's the small craft advisory in the offshore waters, and again, we do have some shower activity out there. Although we had scattered activity earlier in the day, it has pretty much waned, with the exception of, if you go right in close here, there is one little shower almost exactly where it was yesterday across the central part of town over to the southwest side. That is pushing off to the west and headed to Robstown. But that's just a little shower, and that's about it. So it's going to be pretty quiet this evening before additional moisture out here in the Gulf comes in. That'll be late tonight and early tomorrow morning, and that'll be it. Frontal system to the north stays north for now. This will be waiting for a secondary front, which isn't even on the map yet, to join it and come through here late Tuesday, early Wednesday, and it'll be enhanced by the circulation around Nate, which will be somewhere over here in the central or east central Gulf of Mexico. We're protected by high pressure. We still have some moisture around, but dry air is coming in brown right there, and it's going to dry out, and that means it's going to heat up here for especially Friday and the weekend. Right now we have marginal moisture in the region, so again we'll see some activity in the rainfall department, but not all of us will get rain. There it is, about 2:30 in the morning along the coast, pushing inland tomorrow afternoon and dissipating towards sunset tomorrow evening. Couple showers starting out on Friday morning early, and then that's pretty much it. So the weather looks good for Friday night football, but definitely on the warm side once again. As far as the winds go, they are breezy out of the east. That's what's piling the water up as opposed to southeasterly. So about 10 to 15 miles an hour along the coast in the morning. Then they start to relax tomorrow afternoon, so our temperature is going to get hotter. Notice the winds change and go northerly. That'll end our higher than normal tides on Friday morning temporarily, and then back to the east in the afternoon. So the winds come down, so do our overnight low temperatures. Look how calm the winds will be here on Saturday morning. That'll be nice. Into the tropics we go. There's a little disturbance over in the northwestern Bahamas. That's not going to do anything because of wind shear, but there is no wind shear associated with tropical depression number 16, 35-mile-an-hour winds. This is going to turn into tropical storm Nate, but we are protected by high pressure here, so it's not coming this way. The high is going to split, and the high over around the Bahamas is going to steer it up to the north towards Louisiana, Florida Panhandle, and then there's a front coming down the road. So the computer models are all in agreement on this, taking it up to the north as opposed to west in our direction. Tonight, we will see some showers develop, very warm and steamy for October, and 75 degrees. The showers will be after midnight. Drying out, more sun and hotter tomorrow after some morning showers. Will hit 90 degrees, and then we really dry out here on Friday and 90 degrees, and then heating up here and the mid-90s Sunday and Columbus Day, and then scattered showers with a cold front late Tuesday night and into Wednesday will give us a taste of fall the middle of next week. Priscilla, that's the way things are shaping up. Nice to see a forecast like this because we don't have to worry about the tropical activity. Even though we're going to have something, probably a Hurricane Nate in the Gulf, we don't have to worry about it here except for the higher than normal tides.
All right, Dale, definitely some good advice, or good news. I'm sorry.